Good morning to all of you. Myself, Golab Yan from Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borawki College, working at Junior College, Department of Chemistry. Today, we discuss new chapter in 11th Science, that is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon in 11th Science Chemistry. Firstly, we discuss the definition of hydrocarbons. What is meant by hydrocarbon? My first question is that what is meant by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbon means the compounds which contains carbon and hydrogen are the only elements are called as hydrocarbons. Means what? Those compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen in their molecular formula are called as hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are broadly classified into the two types, that is open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons are also called as aliphatic hydrocarbons. Means these compounds are not included in the ring. So these are called as open chain hydrocarbons. These open chain hydrocarbons are also classified into two subtypes, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbons, there is only study of alkane. Means carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonded compounds are studied in alkane. And in saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated means what? Those compounds which contain carbon-carbon single covalent bond and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond, and these compounds are called as saturated hydrocarbons. And in alkane we discuss only and only carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bonded compounds. These saturated hydrocarbons are also classified in two subtypes, that is straight chain hydrocarbons and branch chain hydrocarbons. Straight chain means what? This carbon-carbon bond are attached to each other in a straight line. Means what? This carbon is attached to this carbon and this carbon is also attached to this carbon in a one straight chain. This is straight chain hydrocarbons. We have already discussed that hydrocarbon means only study of carbon and hydrogens. This carbon is attached to this carbon and this carbon is also attached to this carbon in a straight chain. So this is the straight chain hydrocarbon. IUPAC name of this compound is propane. We have already discussed in previous chapters basic principles of organic chemistry, nomenclature of alkane. This is straight chain alkane and IUPAC name of this alkane is propane because there is a 3 number of carbon is there. So IUPAC name of this straight chain alkane is propane. Another subtypes of saturated hydrocarbon is branch chain hydrocarbon. Branch chain means what? This carbon. Look at this carbon. This carbon is attached to another 1, 2 and 3 carbon. And here is a one branching is present at this to this carbon. So it is branch chain hydrocarbon. This carbon is attached to another, this CH3 group, this CH3 group and this CH3 group. This is branch chain hydrocarbon. Next subtype of open chain hydrocarbon is unsaturated hydrocarbons. We have discussed in this straight chain and branch chain in saturated alkane, and this is unsaturated hydrocarbons. In unsaturated hydrocarbons, there is a alkene and alkynes are included. In unsaturated hydrocarbons, there are alkene and alkynes are included. Alkene means carbon-carbon double bond and alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond. This is the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturation means what? There is a double bond and triple bond is there. If there is a double bond is there, if there is a carbon-carbon double bond, we said it as alkene. And if carbon-carbon triple bond is there, we said it as a alkyne. Alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond and alkene means carbon-carbon double bond. Example of this alkene is ethene and example of this alkyne is ethyne, YNE, because carbon-carbon triple bond is there and here is carbon-carbon double bond is there. This is unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated means what? Means what? Carbon-carbon single bond is there. And unsaturated means what? Carbon-carbon double and carbon-carbon triple bond. Those compounds contain carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bonds. They are studied in unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay? This is open chain hydrocarbons. Next type is cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic means what? Carbon-carbon bond are attached to each other in a cyclic form. So this compound are called as cyclic. Means, look at the example of this compound. Cyclic. Why it is called as cyclic? Because here is a carbon, carbon and carbon. This carbon-carbon are attached to each other in a single ring cycle. So this is called as cyclic. This carbon and this carbon are attached to each other in a cyclic manner. So this compound is called as cyclic. Here is a number of carbon 1, 2 and 3. Here is a 3 number of carbon. So IUPAC name of this compound is cyclopropane. Number of carbon is 3. So parent alkane is propane. And when we talk about IUPAC name of this compound, propane, before the propane take a prefix as a cyclo because this is a cyclic compound. So IUPAC name of this compound is cyclopropane. This is saturated. In cyclic hydrocarbons, they are also classified as saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons. In saturated, there is only carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond is there. So this is saturated. We have discussed already in open chain. Saturated means what? Carbon-carbon single and carbon-hydrogen single bond is there. Here is also saturated cyclic compounds and unsaturated cyclic compound. In saturated cyclic compound, we discussed the example of cyclopropane. Next is unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon. Here is this saturated hydrocarbon shows all the properties similar to the aliphatic compound. And in unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons are also classified in unsaturated are also classified in aromatic and non-aromatic. Aromatic means what? The compound, if a compound is cyclic, planar, fully conjugated. Which compound? We said it as a aromatic. Any cyclic, planar, fully conjugated contain 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. This is the aromatic compound. In this compound, here is a carbon, 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 carbon and carbon. Alternate double and single bond is present in this compound. We have discussed classification of hydrocarbon in that open chain and cyclic chain. In cyclic chain there are also two types, saturated and unsaturated. In unsaturated compound we have already discussed that unsaturated means what? Carbon-carbon double and carbon-carbon triple bond. In unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbons, here is also cycle is present, means carbon-carbon bond are attached to each other in a cyclic manner. But this is aromatic. Aromatic means what? According to the Huckel's rule, any cyclic, planar, fully conjugated contain 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. Which compound we said it as aromatic? Any cyclic, planar, fully conjugated. Cyclic, carbon-carbon bond is attached to each other in a cyclic manner. Planar and fully conjugated. What is meant by fully conjugated? Fully conjugated means here is a carbon, carbon, carbon. Alternate double and single bond is there. So this is a fully conjugated. If there is alternate double and single bond is present in the compound, so this compound is called as fully conjugated. This compound obey Haeckel's rule. Any cyclic, planar, fully conjugated contain 4m plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. An example of this compound, aromatic compound is benzene. This is aromatic. Next is non-aromatic cyclic. Non-aromatic means what? If a compound does not obey Haeckel's rule, means not planar, cyclic and fully conjugated, there is called as non-aromatic compounds. Example of non-aromatic compound is THF, means tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. This is classification of hydrocarbons, open chain and cyclic chain. Next topic in this chapter is alkane. Next subpoint in this chapter is alkane. Alkane means what? Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. Alkane means what? Alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond. This is called as alkane. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where N stands for number of carbon, where N stands for number of carbons. Cn means number of carbon, H2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane. Alkane means alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single covalent bond only. And this is general formula of alkane. Next subpoint in hydrocarbon is isomerism in alkane. My first question is that what is meant by isomerism? What is meant by isomerism? Isomerism means what? The compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called as isomerism. Isomerism means what? The compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. Means molecular formula of compounds are same but their structural formula is different, and these compounds are isomers of each other. These compounds are isomers of each other. Which compound shows isomers, or which compound shows this phenomenon of isomerism? Alkanes with more than 3 carbons generally exhibit structural isomerism. Means a compound containing more than 3 number of carbons, and this compound shows isomerism. We see some examples of isomerism. First, general formula is C4H10. First molecular formula is C4H10. This C4H10 molecular formula shows 2 different structure. First is butane. Look at here, number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. C4 and H10. Number of hydrogen 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. C4H10. This molecular formula again shows another structure. This is CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Means same molecular formula but different structural formula. Same molecular formula but different structural formula. These 2 compounds are isomers of each other. These 2 are isomers of each other. Next example is C5H12. Next molecular formula is C5H12. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Another structure of this molecular formula is CH3CH, CH3CH2, CH3. These two compounds are isomers of each other because they have a same molecular formula but different structural formula. So this is two are isomers of each other. IUPAC name of this compound is butane and IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl-propane. Isobutane is common name of this compound. Next, IUPAC name of this compound is pentane and IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methyl-butane because number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is substituent attached to this carbon. We have selected the longest continuous chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-methyl-butane. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.